Fix Snapchat crashes on iPhone and iPad, quick troubleshooting guide. Relaunch Snapchat. Swipe up from the bottom of your home screen or double-press the home button. Find the Snapchat app and swipe up on it to close. Open the Snapchat app again. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Check Snapchat server status. Open your browser on an iPhone or iPad. In the browser, go to downdetector.com or a similar website. On the homepage, search for Snapchat and see if there are any reports of outages or issues with Snapchat. If there is an outage, it will be displayed prominently. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until Snapchat fixes the issue. Update Snapchat. Open the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. If updates are available, at the bottom, you should see apps waiting to be updated. Check if Snapchat has an update waiting and tap Update if available. Do a hard reset of your iPhone or iPad. Quickly press and release the volume up button on the side of your device. Quickly press and release the volume down button on the side of your device. Press and hold the side button, also known as the power button, until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. After your iPhone/iPad restarts, open Snapchat to see if it's running smoothly. Activate Background App Refresh for Snapchat. Open the Settings app on your device. Tap General and then select Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is turned on. Find and toggle on Snapchat. Clear out the Snapchat cache. Tap on the Snapchat icon to open. Choose your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Scroll down the Settings menu and tap on Clear Data. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear to confirm you want to clear the cache. Turn off VPN. Go to the device settings on your iPhone or iPad. Find and toggle off the VPN option. You can also open the VPN app you are using, tap the Disconnect button to turn off the VPN. Then, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner or swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on, then tap again to turn it back off. This extra step will refresh your network connection. Reinstall Snapchat. Find the Snapchat app on your home screen and press and hold it. Choose Remove App. Tap Delete App and confirm the action. Then, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Type Snapchat in the search bar. Find the app in the search results and select the cloud with an arrow to download it again. Delete third-party Snapchat apps. Look for any third-party Snapchat apps or plugins on your device. Open the third-party app and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Find the option to delete or deactivate your account on that app. Then, go to the home screen and delete the third-party app. Update iOS and iPadOS. Go to your device settings. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is possible, tap Download and Install or Install Now. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Personal Security Assistant is a chatbot enhanced by artificial intelligence. You can ask it questions or upload images related to cybersecurity. AI will analyze your provided information and reply with valuable insights. For example, you can upload a screenshot of an email, and it will determine if it's a scam or not. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.